Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. We are doing the weekly check-in. So this is week 2 of the weekly check-in and this will be running from the 12th through the 18th. Now a lot of stuff has happened since I last filmed and I have one big announcement and then another announcement. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you do check-ins, if you do any budgeting, grocery hauls, or anything like that. Let me know down below. I would love to go and check y'all's channel out. I would love to go and get to know y'all and subscribe to y'all and support y'all. But before we get started, also, I am using the Erin Condren. This is the 8.5 by 11. This is the biggest one that they have on their website if you would like to order a planner just like mine, or you can get the petite version. The link will be down below. No pressure to buying. I do not get paid for that. I just truly believe in these planners. I absolutely love them. This is my first one, but still. All right, you guys. So let's start with the 12th. Alright, so the 12th we had a no spin day. So that was actually pretty exciting. I did not have a lot of no spins this week, so that is actually one of 2 no spins I had. Alright, on the 13th we actually did a lot of stuff. We actually went grocery shopping and stuff that day because I was actually off, so I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to zoom in, you guys, just a little bit. Alright, so on the 13th, we had gas, which gas is always $20. What's one of the announcements? Alright, so as you know, I have hit 1,000 subscribers, which I am truly thankful for, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all the support and love that y'all have shown. So when I get paid this Friday, I will be buying the giveaway that I'm going to be hosting. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're subscribed to Instagram, let me know down below. I don't know how I am going to do this, but there will be only one winner, just to let y'all know. So be on the lookout for that. I will be making a video. Alright, so also on Friday, we did go grocery shopping, which was $27. If you have not seen my videos, it is in the playlist under grocery hauls. Stitch Fix is a subscription box, which is a monthly subscription box of clothes. Absolutely love Stitch Fix. And you pay $20 a month, and that $20 actually goes towards the clothing, which you are styled by a stylist. So, and they send you whatever they feel like would look good on you. And whatever you want to keep, you pay for. If not, then you send it back, which they already provide a postage like package for you to send off, so it's free to ship it back. But I used my clothing from my sinking funds, which was $15 that I had, and I got this cute little cardigan, which is an olive green, which I don't have olive green. I have like blue, gray, and red, but I don't have olive green, and it was a long one, so I don't have a long cardigan. So I only paid $15 for that, which was originally $32, I think. And that $20 that I spend every month goes towards that total. So if you want to know more about that, just let me know down below, and I will gladly tell y'all. Alright, so the next is cushion, which was $12, and that was actually, I bought a 2020 Walt Disney World like guide to go to Disney again. So I'm just going to say Amazon. So that came out. That was $12. Super excited. I think we are going to plan on going back to Disney next month towards Halloween. It depends on if I get into the nursing program or not, because it is actually a 2-year program. So yeah. All right, the 14th, on Saturday, I was on call, and then I got called in at 3 p.m., and I did not leave the hospital until 8 p.m. A lot of people in the comments in my other video or my 2 videos before this said that I need to rest, that I've been working so hard. Yes, I do need to rest, but I had a sneak peek of what my check is going to look like, and it's actually really good with all the overtime I've received. So that's a good thing, but taxes killed me, so that's what happened there. But I was so hungry, and thank God my boyfriend's sister bought some Pizza Hut. So I just Venmo her some money to just pay for my portion, and that's what we ate for dinner. Because I did not get home till like 9 o'clock, and I was starving, and I did not eat since like noon. Alright, Pizza Hut. And just to let y'all know, everybody who says I need to just chill and relax, I have a 4 or 5 days off coming up like next week, so I'm super excited about that. Alright, the 15th, which is a very exciting day. So it was Pokemon Community Day. And let me just tell you how much I spent, because I spent a lot of stuff. Alright, so it was Community Day for Pokemon, and I bought some coins. I know, y'all will probably think it's ridiculous to buy some coins on an app, but I enjoy playing Pokemon. My boyfriend does, our family member does, and it's just something that we do every month as a family. And I don't mind spending my money on Pokemon that I'm actually going to be playing forever, because I grew up playing it. Alright, and then we got some smoothies. That's actually the fun money too, so I would do another one. So we got smoothies because it was really, really, really hot. So that was $15. I'm actually going to separate it so the colors won't clash. Then we went to Barnes & Noble because they had 50% off, and it was like 3 tables of 50% off toys. So we bought my, his little brother is into Pokemon, and he's into like collecting the cards and everything. So we dug into our sinking funds, which is our Christmas one. Bought him a Pokemon container that had like some booster cards and stuff, which was $24.99, but it was on clearance. So I paid $8, and then Jared paid the other half because it was like $16. So then, the biggest announcement ever before we get into the other ones, and I will tell you guys in just a second. Alright, you guys, so to take from what happened on the 15th is I got engaged. Look at that. So my boyfriend of 6 years finally popped the question on Community Day with a Pokemon ball. So that was super, I was like really shocked and surprised. It's all on video and everything, which I don't know if I want to share that video because I did not look good. I was sweating, my hair was up, I was in like gym clothes walking around for like 2 hours, and yeah. So I am engaged. We are not planning a wedding until 2021 because Filipino culture, you cannot, siblings cannot marry in the same year because it's bad luck. So my brother got engaged like 2 weeks before me, so I have to wait now, but it's fine. I'm very happy. We're going to enjoy our engagement, and we're just going to have fun, and I will be saving a lot of money. So be sure to go and check out my videos when I post some wedding videos, because I'm super excited about that. Alright, so continuing, on the 16th we have a no spin day, which I spent a lot of money on the 15th, so we had a no spin day on that. The 17th, I was off actually. Was I off? Yes, I was off because I had to run a lot of stuff. Alright, Ulta had their Kylie Kit cosmetic lip kits for 50% off. They're originally like $30. I got them for $14. I got 3 packs because if I would have paid 3 of them, that would have been like $70. I only paid $43 for 3 of them. $43 for 3 of them. All right, so Ulta, I used my beauty, which was in my sinking funds, but also I did pay, I needed some stuff for college, so I went ahead and dug into my sinking funds also. So we're just going to add that together so I don't use a lot of my stickers, because I really do need to order some more stickers. But Ulta was $15, and then college was $48, which equals to $63. So I'm just going to say college and then Ulta or beauty, which was $63. Alright. And then cushion was my Amazon, and that was $12. Where is cushion? Oh, I ran out of stickers. I need to get more stickers. Here's my new one. So I'm just going to write Amazon, and that was $12. Alright, and that is it for the 17th. And then the 18th, I had a doctor's appointment, so my copay was $10. And then also, I want to say doctors, and also I had to alternate my bridesmaid's dress, and that was $43, so that was everything that I had. So I would write wedding. I know it's very, very small, but so that was $10 and $43, which makes it $53 I had to spend out of my sinking funds again. I did a lot of spending on my sinking funds, you guys, but it's fine. I'm going to build that up again. So, alright, you guys, I'm going to zoom you out, and here is the overview of what I spent. Thursday is a no spend. Friday we had all of these. We had gas, groceries, Stitch Fix, and Amazon. Saturday we had pizza because I got called in. I did not do anything. Pokemon Go, Christmas, and smoothies on the 15th. No spend on the 16th. 17th I had college, and then I spent my beauty. Amazon, $12, and then doctors, and then my dress alterations for a wedding was equals to $53. Alright, so let's go into the check-in really fast. Alright, so let me get my handy. Groceries, I spent $27, so we are starting with $59. So 59 minus 27 equals $32. $27 equals $32. Gas, we had a start of $40. We spent $20. And we should have $20 left. Out to eat, I have $0 spent and 0 balance. Fun money, I started with $40, and we are ending it with, let me flip over, fun money. So that was 18 on Pokemon. Smoothies is 15, and that's it. So that's $33. And we are subtracting that from 40. So that was $7. Did I say 33, right? Yeah, $33. I spent $33. Alright, cushion, which is my debit card. So that was 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals $36 spent, and we had $57. So that was $21 left over, and what I'm going to do with this is just going to go straight to my savings. I'm not going to put it in sinking funds or debt. This is going to go straight to savings. Alright, sinking funds. Oh my gosh, you guys. We spent a lot. Stitch Fix, which is clothing, is $15. Christmas was $8. College and Ulta Beauty was $63. And then the doctors and the wedding was $53. So I spent $139, you guys, on sinking funds. So I'm just going to jump over and see what my total is. Oh wait, I still have it because I went right here. All right, so my total was $647. 647 minus 139 equals, we have $508. When you're watching this, I will most likely be getting paid on Friday, and I will do a video on that, but this will go up significantly. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I will show you guys my balance and stuff. All right, guys, so that is it. That is week 2. So we are ending with groceries, $32, gas, $20, out to eat, $0, fun money is $7, cushion, which is my debit card, is $21, and sinking funds is $508. Before we end the video, we are actually going to see if the balances match up to our envelopes, you guys. All right, so groceries is $32. So let's see if we have $32 leftovers. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So that is $32. Gas is $20 left. So there's a 20. Out to eat, $0. Fun money, we should have $7 left. So that's 5, 6, and 7. And out to eat, which we already went through that, but it should be $0, which we have some coins, which will go into our jar. You guys, this jar is filling up fast. Super excited. It's actually pretty heavy right now. All right, you guys, so that is it. We have $32 in the envelopes. We have $32, $20, and $7. Not counting the cushions, we have saved, or we have not spent $59 in our cash envelopes, which that will go towards sinking funds or debt. I will probably put this into the bank on Thursday afternoon, and I will make a snowflake payment, you guys. And I'm super excited, but thank you for everybody who has subscribed once again. Thank you for letting me reach my goal. I am super excited for the upcoming videos that I am going to be filming. The wedding, planning my wedding, oh my gosh, it's going to be so much fun, you guys, and I am so happy that I get to share it with y'all. So make sure y'all be prepared, because this is going to be a long 2 years to get everything situated and organized, because I am going to be doing everything on a budget, you guys, and I hope y'all are ready to follow me. But let me know down below if you enjoy these videos. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. The next time you see me will be on our stuffing our cash envelopes and stuffing our sinking funds, and I will see you guys later. Bye.